Hi, I'm Santina with WTI. So if you are looking into getting into jazz music or improv music, you definitely need to check out the real book. I got super interested in this after listening to the history of it on a podcast. It was so cool, and I was like, I gotta have one of those. And it really is just as cool as it sounded. I love that physically the book has a really casual feel, which was the original idea. You can see the binding is more of a spiral bound, and inside both the musical notes and the written notes are done in kind of a handwriting font. It just makes it feel like you're sitting there in an improv group when you're playing music from this book. It's really awesome. I love that each song comes with a title, what kind of music it is, who wrote it. There's just lots of information to get you started. So if you are looking to get started in jazz and improv, please check out this book. And that is my point of view.